Hi nail friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this fall inspired nail design using dip powders. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Revel Nail Vivian Clear and Ensemble, Mani Mix Garnet Grenache, Kiara Sky Egyptian Goddess, Azure Beauty Gold Dip Powder, some fall leaves, and Activator. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying my Kiara Sky Bond to dehydrate my nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol or acetone. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying 2 layers of Revel Clear Dip Powder to my nails. So I apply base to half of the nail and dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I apply base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. Now, starting on the pinky nail, I apply base to the whole nail and then I sprinkle the ensemble dip powder on my nail. Then I applied base again and I'm doing a 3-color ombre, so I just sprinkle the colors where needed. On the ring finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I dipped my finger into the clear dip powder at an angle and then I sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on the nail bed area. Then I place some activator on the tip area of the clear area right there, and also on the ombre because it needed some color. It was a bit too whitish. So now I place my second layer of base on my nails, and I applied some fall leaves on the clear area right there. Then I dip my finger into the clear dip powder at an angle and then sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on the nail bed area. If you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. On the middle finger, I'm using my Mani Mix Garnet Grenache dip powder, and I did 2 layers of that. I did the same on my thumb. On the index finger, I applied base to the whole nail, and then I angled my finger into the gold dip powder, and then I sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on the nail bed area. Then I applied another layer of base to the whole nail, and then I tried to do a side ombre glitter nail, or is it called a waterfall nail? I don't know what it's called. And then I sprinkled the ensemble dip powder on the nail. Then I applied another layer of base and placed some of the fall glitter leaves on the tip of the nail. Then I sprinkled some of the Revel nail clear dip powder on the nail as well. Now I encapsulated the nails with some Revel nail clear dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nail, but I only showed one layer. Then I applied activator to the nails, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and if you'd like to see my filing routine, I have a video which I'll place in the cards if you'd like to see it. I applied some 3D striping tape off camera to my ring finger, and now placing some activator in a glass. A little goes a long way, don't waste it. I wanted to do some 3D leaves for the first time. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was feeling adventurous. So I applied my brush into the activator and then into the dip powder to do my design. Then I used my cuticle pusher to make the desired lines for the leaves. I did 3 3D leaves. Then when I was finished, I realized I really didn't like them. The design also stained the nails a little. I guess I should have put some gel top coat first before doing my 3D designs. I removed the design and I placed some Model 1's gel top coat on the nails and I cured for 30 seconds. I did most of the 3D leaves off camera and they looked okay for a first time design. You can actually tell they are leaves. I have a lot of practicing to do, but for now they looked okay. Now I applied some Model 1's gel glue to the nails and I placed some rhinestones and cured for 30 seconds. When the nails cool down, I applied some cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!